Hey guys, happy Sunday. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the Python script that is all about the SLA breach predictor. So, for each Jira service management space, the script is going to predict if there is going to be any SLA breach out there. I'm going to show you the script, I'm going to show you the results as well, and you're going to see the code. All right, so let us take the example of, so we have, let's say, security operations. Let's take on that. There we go. This is our script, security operations. It's gonna go here. And from there, we're gonna start our script. And in the end, as you can see, we have this SLA prediction in here, which is going to be saved as the Excel file. Now, let's take a look here. What do we have? So we have, well, for the prediction, it is taken for the critical. And age for this, as you can see, the age for the hours has been long age. So what this means that this whole space has its SLA breached. Now, if you actually take a look at the script itself, so first of all, it searches for the issues themselves by this JQL that has been defined in here. Now, of course, it takes more of the fields such as summary, priority, assignee status, and the created. And if we wanted to include more columns in here, because this is the column, we would actually include that in here. And this is how we would actually get the response. We would set a post. So this is where we're predicting the risk itself when it was actually created. What was this time zone when it was actually created, and the total seconds. So now what's happening here? So we're having, if the priority is high, the limit is going to be highest, the limit is going to be 4, then high, then it's going to be 8, and medium 24, and else it's going to be 72. And now, if we actually take a look in here, because we have these age hours in here, what we're actually having is, if the remaining is less than 1, the prediction is going to be critical. Less than 4, it's going to be high risk, and then we have safe. And this is what we're actually having in here. So we are getting these results appended just right here. Now the thing is, for the predictor itself, we are actually using pandas. And in order for this script to actually work, you would need to install the pandas itself, which is the Python library that is basically being used for the AI analysis. And now if you actually go back and take a different one, so let me take HR, for example, and I don't need this SLA prediction right here. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to lower this. All right, so I'm going to go with the HR. Going to clean everything in here. Start the script, and now, as you can see, again, it is saying for critical. Probably for all of these spaces that I have in here, it's going to say critical. So if we go and say facilities, it's also gonna go for the critical, but for you, it may not be the same. Yeah, as you can see, everything is critical in here. So the prediction for everything that SLA is going to be breached, which is definitely a thing that you actually want to have. All right, so now if we actually go even further, as you can see, the prediction for this one is the critical as well. IT support. Yeah, let's go with that one. That's going to be the last one. And this is going to be on my Bitbucket repository, as you can see. So all of these have the potential of the SLA breach itself. And when you have the SLA breach, that's not going to be good. And you want to make sure that you actually take the action before the SLA breach is going to happen. So this is something that you definitely want to prevent. Right, that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.